In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of creating a minimalist email signature using ByBrand and seamlessly adding it into your GetResponse email marketing campaign. Visit the ByBrand website and sign in or create a new account. On the dashboard, select Create from a template to create a new signature. Choose the minimalist template. Customize the signature to your needs, including your name, job title, contact information, and any other information you want to include. To keep the video from becoming too long, I will only include the basics. After customizing, save the changes. Then click on Paste in Email. Select the HTML tab to view the HTML code of your email signature. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the HTML code. Now the second part, log into your GetResponse account. Navigate to Email Marketing and click on Create Newsletter. Choose By Myself and click Next. Fill in the necessary details for your campaign, name, subject, etc. In the Design and Content section, choose a template and scroll to the footer of the email. Click on the HTML button to add a new custom HTML block. Paste the copied HTML code of your email signature into this block. Once the signature is inserted, review the email to ensure that the signature appears correctly. Save and exit the editor, then proceed to send or schedule your email campaign with the signature. By following these steps, you can create a minimalist email signature using ByBrand and seamlessly add it to your GetResponse email marketing campaign using the custom HTML block.